Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about going over your conveyor quickly. So we've done a few Maintenance Mondays and gone over some conveyor stuff. This is just a nice little refresher. So again, with small engines, make sure that you drain the gas tank every once in a while, because that plastic tank gives you that condensation buildup from heating and cooling quickly. So drain the gas out every once in a while. Add some fuel stabilizer to it once in a while so that it keeps it from building up crap inside of your carburetor or inside of your fuel injectors. Of course, as we talked about before, servicing the engine, so make sure that the oil gets changed regularly, the air filter, check the belt tension so that the belts aren't slipping, check your connections on your battery. On conveyors, make sure that you adjust the chain on the opposite side to keep the tension good on there. And then lastly, make sure that you grease everything and that you put silicone onto the belt lacing once in a while. So with the belt lacing, just make sure that you go have a look at it, clean the old silicone off around the clasps, and then apply some new silicone in there so that you keep stuff from falling down and getting underneath the belt. It just helps your roller to last a lot longer and the grip on your drive roller to last a lot longer. While you're looking at it, make sure that the lacing looks good as well. If not, it starts to tear into the belt and then you end up with a bunch of damage and have to replace the whole belt. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.